Hi guys, I wanted to talk to you today about conditionals. Conditionals allow you to branch your code depending on the conditions that are either met or not met. We can use if, else, elif, or a conditional expression, which is also called the ternary operator. So let's try writing a simple if-else conditional. So a equals 2 if a is less than 5 and then colon, print a is less than 5. Else, now notice my indentation. It's critical. Print a is greater than equal to 5. And then we ran it, and it says a is less than 5, so that's correct. Awesome. And we can nest if statements also, so let's try that. So 8 equals 20. If a is less than 5, print a less than 5. Else, if a is less than 10, print a is greater than equal to 5 and is less than 10. Else, notice where we have the else statement, the indentation, as I said, is critical. Print a is greater than equal to 10. Let's run that. So a is greater than equal to 10, which is correct. Awesome. But if you notice, that's rather wordy and awkward, and there's a much easier way to do the same thing. It's called the elif. The elif is easier to read and it's easier to write. So let's try that. So a equals 20. If a is less than 10, print a is less than 10. Elif, a is less than 15, print a is greater than equal to 5 and less than 10. Elif, a is greater than equal to 20, print a is greater than equal to 20. A is greater than equal to 20. So elif is the closest that we have to switch case statement. It's available in other languages. I've programmed in Java and some other languages, and you can use the case or the switch. Python doesn't have case or switch, but it has the elif. It also offers a conditional expression, and the conditional expression goes like this: X if the condition, else Y. So let's take a look at that. So a equals 20, and we're calling the variable bus. So bus equals a is greater than equal to 20 if a is greater than equal to 20, else a is less than 20. So here we have the if and we have the else as part of our conditional. So let's run that. A is greater than equal to 20. So if you noticed, this was much easier and much easier to write and much easier to actually read than the nested if-else statement. The x and the y can be self-defined functions. They don't have to be just statements. So let's try that. So we're defining two functions. Define anger, print shut up. Define happy, print beautiful. And now we're going to run this. So using functions with the ternary operator. So let's try that. So a equals 5. We're going to express anger if a is less than or equal to 10, else happy. So let's try that. Shut up. So a is equal to 5. So we're expressing anger because it's less than or equal to 10. Excellent. Now let's try the alternate. So here we're using functions with the ternary operator. Once again, a equals 5. We're expressing anger if a is greater than 5, else happy. Beautiful. So I just wanted to spend a little bit of time on conditionals. You should have comfort in working with if, else, elif, and the ternary operator. It'll make you a better programmer. And thanks for watching.